Reviewing this wig that I just got from Lavyhair. They sent me a few things. They sent me wig caps and I think some other goodies. Also their little brochure here. But we're gonna go and try to install this wig. I think it is a 22-inch, it's a kinky straight unit. Kind of also has like a little bit of like yucky texture, but it's super thick. I'm gonna get into the specs after I do the install, but yeah, I'm gonna try to cut the lace on camera. So 1 second. So it already comes with an elastic band on the inside. Okay, gonna hold this to the front. And before I go in, like, because this is super, super thick hair, I do want to cut the lace around my ears. Okay, I am absolutely terrible when it comes to cutting my lace on camera. Off camera, I'm great at it. I'm not having to put it on my head, but I want to show you how I do it. The lace went over my ear, so I had to go ahead and cut some extra lace off with some of the wig on it, or the hair. So don't be afraid to chop it off because it has to come off regardless. Yeah, you see how like this part goes over my ear? We're gonna cut that off too. All right, and then for this portion of the video, we're just kind of laying down the lace bond glue that I use. It's more of like a lace bond spray, not really a glue, with the baby hairs. And then honestly, we are good to go. It was really a quick process because the lace, again, it's undetectable. So for you to lay it down, you really don't need too much. I have a lace bond glue that's more so for sweat and for the heat, or it's lace bond spray for the sweat and heat. So yeah. We're gonna try to straighten this best I can. Okay, now I'm gonna use my wig melting spray. Okay. I think I'll end up doing like a side part. Okay, so now we're gonna part the hair. So I'm gonna do my best to part it. This is like smoking, you guys. Okay, so for this portion of the video, you guys always know I have to flatten down the hair, especially this one because it's 200% for the density and it's kinky straight. So you wanna make sure that the top is flat as possible. I don't care what type of texture I'm using. That's what I like to make sure I'm doing because it makes it look the most natural. And then after you're done with that, just make sure that you're kind of going over the root area because I think it tends to be more kinky for the kinky straight wigs. Then in the next few clips, I'm going to be putting makeup on the part because it needs to be more defined. But I am going ahead and sealing it with my Cantu mousse. I know that y'all asked in my last video which mousse that I was wearing, and that's what it is. But yeah, we're just trying to redefine the part to make it look even more natural. And like, look at how this hairline is looking. Looks super nice. We didn't even have to use glue. I'm gonna honestly end up changing really quick. I'm gonna straighten a little bit more. Oh my god, y'all see this right now? Holy crap. I'm gonna kind of cut the front here. Found it. Like, look at the thickness of this. Look at the back. It literally goes down to my waist. Pretty. And it's so soft. And even though there's like a lot of hair, it's extremely lightweight. And check out how close up the lace is looking. Like, I just needed to have more of an elastic band on this part, but it's fine. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna read the specs for you guys. All right, so this is 200% density. That's why it's so freaking thick. Peruvian hair, 13x4 lace. The lace is also undetectable. And this is also an M cap for the wig, and it also comes with an elastic band sewn on the inside. Again, I decided to go ahead and do myself like a side part because there's literally so much hair. This is how the hair looks to the side. It's extremely full, so you're getting a lot out of it. I mean, I'm telling you guys, it's also very natural looking as well, which is nice. But let me go ahead and actually get into the pricing of this unit, because with the amount of hair that you're getting and the fact that it's 22 inches long, I'm curious to know what the price is. So 1 second. Okay, and again, this is their Kinky straight unit. The price for this unit with all the specs, 22 inches, medium size wig cap, pre-bleached for the knots. This was, I had to cut the lace myself. It's $196.20. So under $200 honestly is really, really good for how much hair you're getting, and also the kind of lace that is literally, it's undetectable. So all you have to do is literally just use a lace bond spray and you're good to go. But that's all that I really have to say about this unit. I personally really like it a lot. It's very, very soft. I can run my fingers through it. And it is a kinky straight texture. I would give this like a pretty close to a 5. Pretty close to a 5 out of 5. Yeah, I really like it. It looks really natural. So that's all I have to say. Yeah, I hope that you guys like this hair video from Lavyhair, and I will talk to you guys later.